Hello everyone, I am Bradley Sward, Associate Professor of Computer and Information Science at the College of DuPage in Glen Ellen, Illinois. This video today is Day 3's Puzzle Advent Calendar for the mscrogs.uk.co Advent Calendar. So the name of this, I named Count the Zeros. This one for me, if Day 2, I thought Day 3 was going to be impossible after Day 2 with all the factoring and all that, prime factorization I've been doing. But this one seems relatively straightforward. So the question is, if you write out the numbers from 1 to 1,000, inclusive on both, so 1,000 counts as well, how many times will you write the digit 0? And so, you can kind of see this. I was printing this out previously, but you can see like the number 10, the number 20, all the way up to 90, and then 100 twice because there's two zeros. 101, 1 blah, 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 101, 1 blah, blah, up to 110, 120, 130, 140, and then 200 gets 2, and so forth and so on. And then right there at the end, 990, and then 1,000 comes up 3 times. You get the answer of 192. And so what did I do? I just had an accumulator, okay, and then I just said, hey, for every number from 1 to 1,000, and for me this is weird in Python that the 1,001, you have to use 1,001 when you really want to go to 1,000, but I will live with that. And I'm just reducing each of these numbers down until I get 0, and I'm just checking each individual digit. And so as long as, so like for the number 10, 10 mod 10 will give me a 0, and I'll increase the number. And then I'll take 10 and do integer division by 10 to get 1, but 1 is not divisible by 10, or modulus into 10, so I don't increase anything. And then my 1 becomes a 0, and I fall out of the loop, and I continue, and I continue, and I continue. That pretty much is the entire thing for this as far as my understanding is. And I always think that sometimes I overcomplicate things, but this one seems too easy. I feel like I'm missing something only because this one only took me about a minute. So as always, if I did screw up or if I misspoke in these 2 minutes, or if you have any questions, you can always contact me here on the YouTubes, or you can get back to me at swardb@cod.edu. So Day 3's done. Moving on to Day 4. Hope you all have a good day. I'll see you next time.